Well, it's a tight fit this morning getting started on our South Tampa project, 13 windows. Yeah, tight fit, but we are poised to get things going and moving along. This is a house that has serious window problems, and we will be addressing frame issues and sash issues for the next few days at least. At first glance, it appears frame rot here, sash rot here. Who knows what kind of sash rot this 1x4 is covering up. More frame rot here. This sill is popped up. We've got a scab here. Interesting. Scott's inside doing the initial setup work to figure out what all the truth is so that we can start to devise a plan. So we've got these two windows here, but also inside you can see past the glare in there, or the reflection, but inside, on this side here, got 3 more windows there that are in very similar condition. So I'm going to open those up pretty soon and see what those are all about. And one of the things that's important in beginning a project is determining what your setup is going to be, because the better that you're set up, the more efficiently and quickly you can work to knock out the problem. And I mean, that's the name of the game, right? Is to ascertain as quickly as possible what you have to do it, and then execute, right? So, and then put the window back together. That's kind of what we're up against, and so we're having to, having the time. What we do first is like get set up, and it always takes a lot longer to get set up the first time as you're figuring things out. Like, I mean, just getting in here was kind of a trip, right? I mean, there were bicycles. There's a what do you call it? A barbecue pit was in here. Tables, garbage cans. We've got the big van here. Okay, but we're on one of those streets that, man, there's not a lot of parking, and people get really frustrated and upset about parking, like a driveway, car. Oh, that's usually a problem, but he must be out of town or something. But yeah, this is our house that we're working on, and figuring out what our setup is. It's not always entirely obvious, but we'll figure that out today, and then tomorrow we'll be even better poised to do what we do. Oh, we got some window pieces here. Scott says maybe that's what's supposed to go there. Well, I guess that is a good indicator of why that plywood was there. Probably be making that sash. Oh, look at that joinery from old trim screws holding that guy together. Man, there's just nothing left. I think we'll be making a sash. Look. Big old hole in the sill. Oh boy. That's gonna be really nice. Wow. All right, well, we got our work cut out for us today, it looks like.